Hello. Today we will learn about the phrasal verb feed on something. Feed on means to eat or use something as food. Animals often feed on specific plants or animals. For example, lions feed on zebras. Birds feed on seeds and insects. Feed on is always followed by what is eaten. You say, "The rabbits feed on grass," not "feed grass on." This phrasal verb is inseparable. You cannot put words between feed and on. People can also feed on things like inspiration. For example, she feeds on positive feedback. Feed on is different from eat. Eat is general, but feed on focuses on diet habits. You can use it in many sentences about animals or people. Try saying, "The fish feed on plankton," or "The children feed on healthy snacks." Remember, always use feed on together. Practice using it in your own sentences. That's all for today. Keep practicing. See you next time.